In this video, I am gonna teach you how to earn money from software creation. Is a versatile and lucrative field with various approaches. Below are some key ways to monetize your software. 1. Selling software products. One-time purchase. Develop software and sell it as a product with a one-time fee, for example. Desktop applications, mobile apps. Subscription model. Offer software as a service SaaS with recurring monthly or annual subscription fees. Freemium model. Provide a basic version for free while charging for premium features. 2. Custom software development. Work with clients to create tailor-made solutions for their specific needs. This includes web development, mobile apps, enterprise software, and niche applications. 3. Open source software with paid features. Release the core software for free and monetize through paid add-ons or plugins. Consulting and support services. Hosted versions of the software. 4. Ad-supported software. Offer your software for free and generate revenue through in-app advertising. Common in mobile apps and online platforms. 5. Licensing. Sell licenses to other companies or individuals to use your software. For enterprise customers, offer volume licensing deals. 6. Marketplaces and app stores. Publish your software on platforms like Google Play, Apple App Store, or Steam. These marketplaces provide a ready audience but take a percentage of your earnings. 7. Affiliate programs. Incorporate affiliate marketing within your software, promoting third-party products or services and earning commissions. 8. Consulting and training. Offer training programs, workshops, or consultations for businesses or individuals using your software. 9. White labeling. Create software that other companies can rebrand and sell under their own name for a fee. 10. Crowdfunding and donations. Use platforms like Patreon, Kickstarter, or Buy Me a Coffee to raise funds from users who support your work. 11. Software reselling. Partner with software distributors or resellers to sell your product to a broader audience. 12. Game development. Develop games for various platforms and monetize them through in-app purchases, ads, or selling the game outright. 13. APIs and integrations. Create APIs and charge developers for accessing your services. Offer integrations with popular platforms like Slack, Salesforce, or Shopify for a fee. 14. Hosting and maintenance services. Offer hosting solutions or ongoing maintenance for the software you create, ensuring clients rely on you for updates and reliability. 15. Collaborations and partnerships. Collaborate with businesses to co-develop software and share profits or royalties. Considerations for success. Identify a problem. Focus on solving a specific, real-world problem. Market research. Understand your target audience and their needs. Quality assurance. Ensure your software is bug-free, user-friendly, and reliable.